Okay guys, so welcome to the vlog. It's me, the Curly Traveler. I'm about to get a haircut. Okay, I just did a wash and go as requested by the hairstylist. I'm going to a salon that I haven't been to before, but my friend suggested it for me. I think it's pronounced Ellushions Natural Hair Studio. Ellushions or Ellushions, I don't know. But I'm kind of nervous because I've never let anyone else besides my mother or my own hands cut my hair. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is happening. I paid. Just trying to get this good haircut. But yeah, I'm nervous because I'm getting it cut while it's in a wash and go style, and I never wear my hair like this. So yeah, my hair is always stretched, so hopefully more hair doesn't get cut than I want. You guys wish me luck. It's right behind me. It's about to happen, y'all. This is me before.
All right, now turn to the side how you was, because that was a good.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna get my hair trimmed, or I'm getting a curly cut. So with Rihanna at Ellushions Hair Salon. So we'll see how this goes. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
So I don't want to cut too much length, if that's possible. Like, I was looking at my ends, and I know my ends are kind of bad. When I was looking at them, I'm like, I know I at least need like an inch cut, but I do want to keep my length.
Yeah. You keep your length.
Okay. Is this the same as like the DEVA cut?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't call it that.
Okay.
Because I'm not DEVA certified.
Okay.
Yeah, basically that's what it is. And in hair school is nothing more. If your hair was straight, it'll look like a bob. It'll look like an inverted bob.
Interesting. I was talking to somebody, I think it was yesterday, and we were talking about the DEVA cut. Do DEVA cuts include the bangs, or is that just like a choice?
That's just a choice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was like,
I don't recommend cutting bangs into your hair. I don't know. It's just it's just such an upkeep.
Doing the bangs?
Yeah. I don't know.
I've never had them, so
I feel like you could fake it.
Just like put some bobby pins and
yeah, it's like, oh yeah, instead of making that, you just come in there.
I don't know. I'm like, I think bangs look good on me. I've done the fake ones a few times, but I don't know. Like, I think mine is too big.
I'm take off, if you can see.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do that throughout the whole back, like under your occipital bone down, and then everything in the crown gets layered to it.
Okay.
So much, not too much.
That's like an inch, right? Like an inch and a half?
Yeah, like an inch and a half.
So basically, kind of all the same length-ish?
So you want your top to be longer than your bottom. And that's why you take the bottom up some.
Okay. Okay.
Because that's why you get the shape from, by having this part be longer and heavier. Other than that, it look like you got a mother.
And I don't know if it's because my ends are just bad, but I do like my twist outs. And I feel like my hair just looks flat.
It looks flat because you don't have that layer in it.
Yeah. That's when I was like, you know what? I'm like, this is ruining my hairstyle.
Yeah.
Like, it would just look limp. I'm like, okay.
I ain't too proud to win.
Girl.
You don't know what love is.
I like have my mom's voice in my head. Keep your head straight. I started turning my head. I'm like, yeah, straight. My mama hated cutting my hair.
My mama did that too.
You really?
It makes it look fuller.
It does.
Thicker when it all comes together.
Looks good already. Okay. It looks so good. Thank you. And I thought I was going to like fix my hair after, so I'm going to do a twist out. But no, it looks good like this.
It looks good like that because it got shape.
It
so
looks
everything you do
so good. And I'm so excited.
And this is keeping as much length as possible with the shape.
Yeah.
If I would have shaped it, like my clients be like, just do you.
Yeah.
I would have took a little more off to really give it a more angle, but this is keeping as much length as possible.
Okay. I'm excited.
You can see it.
I'm glad you're excited because you was nervous as shit. You was making me nervous. Like, what the hell?
So much hair. That's really good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Like, I don't even have to do anything to my hair today. I was like, yeah,
No, it looks really good just froed out like that.
It really does.
It looks really good just froed out.
Well, now I have a place to come to now.
Yeah, it's super
Thank
cute.
you. Alright guys, so I just finished getting my haircut by Rihanna and I love it. Thank you, Rihanna. Alright y'all, so I just finished getting my haircut at the Ellushions hair salon. It was amazing. I was so nervous and Rihanna was so nice and welcoming and she gave me a really good haircut. But anyways, yep, I am gonna get my day moving. This was pretty much the half of my day. I'm out here in the city of New Orleans looking like a tourist with my little camera. I got some shape now, so that is gonna help out my hairstyles in the future because they were starting to look a little limp. Y'all know what I'm saying? I needed it. She got her hair did. Hey.
I'm so surprised that you are so hard to please.
I am so hard to please, I know. But yeah, I love it. I was so nervous and I asked her so many questions and it was kind of funny. But yeah, at the end, cause like I didn't get like a drastic cut. But I do have shape now, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm about to do a length check though and see how much length I lost. She said she didn't cut that much though. She showed me in the beginning. She was like, yeah, this is about how much I'm gonna cut. It was like an inch or like maybe an inch and a half, but I needed that much cut because my ends were like, they were struggling. Where are you?
I'm all the way back home now.
Home?
Yeah, I kind of was on a date. I didn't realize it until after the fact. So
You were on a date and didn't realize it.
So, okay, this is what happened. So the guy I was telling you about, whatever. So he called me this morning, like, he's like, chit chat, whatever. But he was talking, it just kind of kept going in and out. And so I'm like, I was like, I'm sorry, but I really can't understand anything you're saying, like your phone.
This is it. Thank you guys for tuning in to my first ever professional haircut. I love it. Again, I know I keep saying that, but I love it. I got my curly girl haircut at Ellushions Hair Salon. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like it? But thanks for tuning in to the Curly Traveler, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. I'll see y'all next time.
So, like,